Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Nutrafol subscription. Okay, so if you have purchased any product related to hair related problems or any kind of problem if you are facing, and you have make a purchase of any product and you by mistake you may choose like subscribe and save option, and now now they are charging on your account. So how you can cancel your subscription? Okay, so basically if you want to cancel your subscription, the cancellation is very easy. So there are some methods by which you can cancel your subscription, but you need to keep something in your mind while canceling your account. Okay, so you can see when you visit on their official website, they have three options like chat option, and they also have phone support option, they also have email option. Okay, you can choose anyone or you can choose all of them. So when you choose email method, you need to compose an email. In the email you need to provide a well composed email, like in the subject you need to provide, like you need to write, I want to cancel my subscription with brand like with Nutrafol. Okay, and in the subscription you can, like in the email subject box, you need to provide your name, which is your registered name, and you need to provide your subscription starting date and end date and your plan, and you need to compose an email. In the email you need to provide a reason why you want to cancel, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation in the written notice. Okay, once you send this email at their email address is available on their official website, you can choose their email, and once they receive your email, okay, they will provide you you can like provide you a cancellation, you can like a proof of cancellation if they are able to cancel your subscription. If you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is still active, and your subscription is not going to end. Okay, so it means you need to keep in touch with their customer support until you don't get any proof of cancellation. This is the first method, which is also listed on, you can select Trustpilot. You can see you need to provide you need to contact with the customer support team. Okay, so the second thing, you can call their customer support also, and you can ask like you want to cancel your subscription, and you need to also ask a proof of cancellation if they are ready to cancel your subscription online. Okay, and you can also chat with their customer support by choosing chat support option, and once you start chatting, you can also mention like you want to cancel your subscription, and they will also cancel your subscription. But make sure when you chat with their customer support, you need to log in into your account. You must logged in into your account, by which they can verify you. Okay, so these are the three methods by which you can cancel Nutrafol subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.